As women, we all want to keep our skin looking great. We want to prevent premature aging. We want to prevent and get rid of those wrinkles. We want to keep our skin plump and firm. One important way to do that is to always use a good serum. I used to have to use vitamin C serum and a hyaluronic serum separately, but now they have great serums that actually contain both of them. This is one of them. It's called Gloriskin Vitamin C Serum. It has that great vitamin C concentrate in it, and it also has the hyaluronic acid. It's made with aloe vera. It contains stem cells, jojoba oil, lots of other good things for your skin. It's very, very light. It absorbs very, very easily. It's not greasy. It leaves your skin glowing. It just absorbs really, really quickly into your skin. You can't even tell that I put it on. It feels great on your face. I use it in the morning, right after washing my face. I use it at night after I wash my face, and right before moisturizer or night cream. So if you're looking for a great serum, this is a good one. You should try it out. It works for me. It can work for you.